genetically modified organisms, commonly known as GMOs. GMOs are living organisms whose genetic material has been altered using biotechnology. Unlike traditional breeding methods, genetic modification allows scientists to directly change the DNA of an organism to give it new characteristics. These changes can make crops more resistant to pests, improve nutritional value, or help plants survive in harsh environmental conditions. You might be surprised to know that many of the foods we eat today, such as corn, soybeans, and papayas, are often genetically modified to improve yield and reduce the need for chemical pesticides. Beyond agriculture, GMOs also play a vital role in medicine, helping us produce life-saving treatments like insulin and vaccines. Today, we are able to interview crops producers that somehow uses GMO products.
Kasi nga nung sir,
Ramil Pikit
kanang tagiyahan ka o figure.
na.
So naro po kanang 3 questions nimo. So first is, do you use GMO products in your piggery, particularly in pig feed?
Yes, nagamit mi mga lawog sa baboy nga na ay GMO ingredients. Kumun man ni nga mga tuwa samot kay affordable ra unja nutritious.
Okay. Are there any health concerns for pigs eating GMO feed?
So far, there's no scientific evidence showing that GMO feeds negatively affects pig health. Consistent raman ang growth sa among mga baboy, and there is no usual health issues.
Do you think GMO crops have helped improve the piggery's productivity or sustainability?
Yes, nakatabang yun kayo ang GMO crops. It made our operations more predictable and reduce the risks of feed shortages.
Sumorto sir, salamat.
Salamat.
Which GMO crops are most widely adopted?
GMO crops include soybean, cotton, canola, and the papayas like katong mga virus-resistant rainbow papaya, and also the potatoes with reduced bruising are also common.
So, are GMO crops are safe for humans and animals?
Organizations like WHO, FDA, EFSA confirm GMOs are safe after rigorous testing. Over 20 years of global consumption showed no verified health risks.
Do GMOs harm the environment?
Its cons involve reduced pesticide use and soil tillage, while its cons involve herbicide resistant weeds and the impacts of non-target insects.
How do your customer or buyer respond to GMO products? Do they prefer non-GMO or they indifferent?
Most of my buyers don't specifically ask about GMO. However, if I'm selling a certain food processor and the organic market, they don't prefer non-GMO. In general, the non-GMO demand seems to be growing slowly.
Thank you, Mom.